Darius Elias. Darius Mortimer Elias, March 17, 1972 February 17, 2021 was a Canadian politician. He represented the rural Yukon electoral district of Vuntut Gwitchin in the Yukon Legislative Assembly from 2006-2016 as a member of both the Yukon Liberal Party and the Yukon Party. He later served as Deputy Chief of the Vuntut Gwitchin First Nation. He resigned from that position June 12, 2020. Elias died February 17, 2021 at the age of 48. 32nd Legislative Assembly. Elias defeated two-term incumbent New Democrat Lorraine Peter in the Old Crow riding of Vuntut Gwitchin in 2006, ending the New Democrats' 10-year hold in the riding. His win marked the Yukon Liberals' first election win in that riding. Elias served as official opposition caucus chair, as well as Liberal critic for the environment, tourism and culture, and the Women's Directorate portfolios. 33rd Legislative Assembly. Elias was re-elected in the 2011 election, but the election saw the Yukon Liberals reduced to just 2 rural seats and third-party status. Yukon Liberal leader Arthur Mitchell was defeated in his re-election campaign and resigned on election night. As the only Liberal MLA with experience, the other being then-rookie MLA Sandy Silver, Elias became interim leader of the party. On August 17, 2012, Elias resigned from the post of interim Liberal leader and from the party caucus to sit as an independent MLA. 11 months later, on July 8, 2013, Elias crossed the floor to join the caucus of the governing Yukon Party. The move was controversial not only in that the former party leader defected. Elias' defection also granted the Yukon Party a majority on the Select Committee on Hydraulic Fracturing, which was struck to examine the role of fracking in the Yukon. In 2014, he was fined $1,000 for refusing a breathalyzer test and using a cell phone while driving. His license was temporarily suspended and he publicly admitted to having an alcohol problem. Elias was appointed Government House Leader and Caucus Chair of the Yukon Party Caucus in 2015. Following the sudden resignation of David Lexton, Speaker of the Yukon Legislative Assembly, in May 2016, Elias briefly assumed the position of Deputy Speaker of the Legislative Assembly when his predecessor, Patty McLeod, became Speaker. He announced his intention to seek re-election in the 2016 election, but was defeated by Liberal candidate Paul Frost by 7 votes. Personal life. Elias had a diploma in Renewable Resources Management and was a former Vuntut National Park Warden. He was the son of Vuntut Gwitchin Chief and former New Democrat MLA Norm McCasey. Yukon General Election, 2016. Style equals width. 136 Liberal Paul Frost align equals right 77 align equals right 50 1.3% align equals right minus 12.8% NDP Skeeter Miller right align equals right 3 align equals right 2.0% align equals right plus 2.0% BG color equals white. Align equals left Cosman equals 3 total. Align equals right 145. Align equals right 100.0%. Align equals right. Yukon General Election, 2011. Style equals width. 136 Liberal Darius Elias align equals right 93 align equals right 64.1% align equals right plus 18.1% BG color equals white. Align equals left Cosman equals 3 total. Align equals right 145. Align equals right 100.0%. Align equals right. Yukon General Election, 2006. Style equals width. 136 Liberal Darius Elias align equals right 65 align equals right 45.8% align equals right plus 22.0% NDP Lorraine Peter align equals right 40 align equals right 28.2% align equals right minus 19.3% BG color equals white. Align equals left Cosman equals 3 total. Align equals right 142. Align equals right 100.0%. Align equals right.